Happy Independence Day to all of you. How are you all? My name is Jagasa Pasricha, and if you're new to this channel, go subscribe to my channel right now. Or if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then what are you waiting for? Go subscribe right now. So जैसे कि आपको मेरे अटायर से थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया लग गया होगा, so today is Independence Day special video. And before getting into the video, I have a small appreciation thing for my mother. मतलब मैं उनसे क्या बोलूँ, शी डजन नो दिस कि मैं ये चीज़ बोलने वाली हूँ इस वीडियो में. शी हैज़ नो आइडिया अबाउट इट, बट आई लव यू मम्मा. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ईच एंड एवरी थिंग. एंड जो भी यूट्यूब पे या जो भी मेरा फूड पेज है उस पर जो भी आइडिएशन होती है, रेसिपीज़ की इनोवेशन होती है, वो सारी मेरी मम्मा के थ्रू आती है. एंड जो मेरा इंटरेस्ट फूड में आया है वो भी सिर्फ उनकी वजह से आया है. एंड आई एम वेरी ग्लैड टू शेयर दिस बॉन्ड विद हर. मतलब शी इज़ वेरी स्पेशल टू मी. शी मीन्स द वर्ल्ड टू मी. आई लव यू सो मच. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ईच एंड एवरी थिंग. आई लव यू. आई नो सब बोर हो गए होंगे, बट इट्स ओके. आई हैड टू से दिस थिंग. But anyways, without further wasting your time, let's get into the video right now. So our first drink is Tropical Blast. For this you need some plum and Malta. Orange was not available, so I had to choose this. So you can go for any option. Add some ice into the blender and then add some chopped Malta into it and freshly chopped plum. Oh wow! Add some sugar as per your taste and then some black salt, a pinch of roasted cumin powder, a dash of pepper into it, and some water. Blend in your juice for a minute and then you can sieve this drink. Take a glass and pour in your Tropical Blast into it. And trust me, this was so delicious, so refreshing, and super healthy. Serve this drink with lots and lots of ice, and trust me, you will fall in love with this drink. Our second drink is Pina Colada, refreshing and amazing. So for this you need shredded coconut, some pineapple, and a cup of coconut milk and a glass of coconut water. So for this you need to add some ice into a jar, and after that you may add sugar into it according to your taste. Add in some freshly chopped pineapple pieces into it and then a glass of coconut milk, coconut water into it, and blend it well for about a minute. So this step is totally optional. You can put in some shredded coconut or not, and pour in your pina colada into it and serve it immediately cold and refreshing, and you will love it. You can also sieve this drink and garnish it with your own preferences. I chose to garnish it with some shredded coconut and a piece of pineapple. Trust me, this drink will blow your mind because I personally loved it. Last but not the least, we have Tangy Retreat. For this we need cucumber, ginger, ambi and fresh pudina. Take a jar, add in some ice as usual and some cucumber into it. You can peel the skin off as well. Some ginger, kachi ambi, oh I love it, and some fresh pudina, amazing. Add in some sugar accordingly, some black salt, cumin powder, black pepper, and pour it in your glass after blending it for a good 1 minute. And this was way too refreshing, This was my mama's favorite, and this was super duper healthy and yummy, of course. I hope you all love these refreshing and amazing drinks, and don't forget to comment below which one was your favorite. Okay, and if you do try these, please comment down or tell me how was your experience. And what are you waiting for? Like करो, comment करो, share करो, subscribe करो. Love you. Bye bye. Take care. See you next time.